in cases where you have multiple partners and there's a tax implication with the IRS, who gets blamed for the error? Does the partnership in total or the person that does the books?
Good question, and very multi-layered as well, because it really depends on what sort of error is being made. Are we talking about a straight accounting error, or are we talking about partners hiding certain things within the company and not reporting that to the accountant?
For example, the partner who is responsible for the accounting principles didn't pay the 415 taxes for the employees.
Like the taxes.
Yeah. Who gets in trouble?
Okay. When you have certain contracts written, for example, corporate governance contracts, there will be someone within that company who's considered your tax representative. So for example, if you have a multi-member company, if you have a multi-member company, there's usually a part in an operating agreement, which is why this is very important, where you would designate someone in charge of those taxes. And that person is going to be the responsible person. Now, if the IRS hits the company with something that they need to pay off, then the company has to deal with that. But in terms of personal responsibility, it's probably the person who is designated as that. Because without an agreement that states that, then it's everyone's problem, really.
I used the wrong tax class, not 415, but 441.
That's with like employment taxes, FICA, and all that. Because again, I'm not an accountant, so I'm not sure. But to answer your question, if you don't have it specific in your agreement of who is your tax representative, then it's going to come back on the company itself. Because remember, individuals are individuals and the company is a separate business entity.
Yeah.
The content on Minding Your Business is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be construed as specific legal advice. This show discusses general legal issues affecting business owners. Opinions of the guests are not necessarily that of the show. If you need assistance with your specific legal issue, please consult with a licensed attorney.